In this video, I'm going to show you how to change colors in NinjaTrader. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you can customize the colors of your charts, candles, background, grid lines, text, and indicators all inside NinjaTrader. So in order to do this, go ahead and open up a NinjaTrader chart. So I'm just going to quickly open one up. From here, click OK. Now, once we've got it open, I'm just going to drag it over to this screen so we can see it. Now, I want to right click anywhere on the chart and select properties. So click on properties. Now, inside of properties here, we can, you'll see the chart's appearance settings. Now, if we scroll down here, we've got some colors here. So we can change the chart background color from white to like a gray if we want. We can also change the drawing marker from blue to anything else. And we've got all these other colors we can change. We can change the grid lines, the text, the up bars, down bars, outline one wicks. I might change the text here to say a yellow. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on apply, click on OK, and that's going to change the colors in your chart inside of NinjaTrader.